Hi guys, Saturday morning. Well, it's not actually, it's 21 minutes past 1 according to Oven. What we're doing now is we are continuing in our decluttering, and today's task is the kitchen. So we're going to rearrange everything in the kitchen, but to do that we need to take stuff out, put it elsewhere, then move the stuff back. You know the score. You've got to do that. Then when Michelle's moved all these plates and stuff out to that cupboard and started putting stuff in and whatever, I'm going to take the dishwasher out because I've got a new dishwasher coming tomorrow. So without further ado, over to Michelle. Okay guys, so Michelle's moved the plates over and put them down there. What I'm going to do now is get that dishwasher out of there. But first thing I need to do is get the baseboards off. So take the baseboards off, then the dishwasher will slide out when it's loosened. Okay guys, so that's the baseboards off. Now, what I've done, turn this round. I've opened the dishwasher up now. Dishwasher should be connected, should be screwed to the units, but whoever installed this one, obviously, oh, you might have done. Okay guys, and there you go, exit one, broken dishwasher. So a new one comes tomorrow, so all I gotta do is reverse the process and find somewhere to put all that stuff up we had in our cupboard. Never mind. Okay guys, that's the old dishwasher out. I took too many screws out. I didn't know which were the long screws that went in through the doors, so I ended up taking basically all of them off. And I only cut my finger once, that's good. Boys and girls, wear gloves when you're messing about with sheet steel.
You think you delivered your lesson after the last time you ended up with A&E? Yeah,
I put myself in hospital with the dryer doing stupid things like that. On my pinky finger, took all the end of my pinky finger off. Anyway, lunchtime. Okay guys, instead of having that middle drawer that we had behind us all full of all this stuff, so we couldn't get in, that's it. Michelle's bought some thingy tidies, which are just the right length, depth wise for the cupboard, and that's where everything's going to go, because the aim is to get everything off the counters and leave us as much space as possible. Okay guys, it's just gone really dark, and here comes the rain. It looks like we're going to have a thunderstorm. It's just coming in the last 30 seconds. Okay guys, we're going to break off there. I've just been out of the shower. Got the dishwasher out, and now we're reorganisation of the kitchen. Oh, what is it they say? You got to it gets worse before it gets better. Yeah, we've managed. I'd make it a lot worse, but there's a lot of stuff come out of the cupboards there, like the vases and stuff we're throwing away. But we're getting the cupboard sorted out, and we're just being ruthless and throwing stuff away. But the big thing is getting the dishwasher out and then replacing that tomorrow. So we've got a working dishwasher. Now with that, it's at the evening, it's 5:30, so I think we're going to order a pizza, have a takeout. I'm watching Marvel tonight, so another Marvel film. So the second chronologically, according to Tech Radar, is Captain Marvel. So that's what I will be watching shortly, and I will have some gin, and I put some beer in the fridge before, because I'm smart. So before that, tea time.